Hello, children. Today we are going to discuss 2024-2025 O-Level Max Paper question number 4. Already discussed first question, second question, third question, and now we are going to discuss our fourth question of this year 2024-2025 O-Level Max Paper. The top of a birthday cake is in the shape of a right angle isosceles triangle. You know what is an isosceles? Right angle means 90 degree. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. It's two equal sides of length 2x centimeter each. Each side is 2x centimeter. As shown in the figure, the words happy birthday are written on a rectangular piece of white icing of length x plus 2 centimeter and breadth x minus 4 centimeter. The remaining portion is decorated in pink and is of an area 132 centimeters squared. So the remaining pieces is 132. Here the happy birthday is marked in the rectangular part. So the remaining parts area is 132. Right angle triangle remaining parts area is 132. This remaining part is 132 centimeters squared. How to find the area of this remaining portion, children? First part, show that the x satisfy the equation x squared plus 2x minus 124 is equals to 0 and find the value of x to the nearest centimeter. So how to find the area of the remaining part? So total diagram indicates a triangle. From the triangle, we have to subtract a rectangular part. So triangle's area is half into base into perpendicular height. Half into base into perpendicular height. Rectangle's area is length into breadth. So no need to write the formula. You can write directly. So half into base of the triangle is 2x and perpendicular height also 2x minus length and the breadth of the rectangle are length is x plus 2 into breadth is x minus 4. If you deduct triangle's area minus rectangle area, you will get the answer as 132 centimeters squared. So here multiplications are like scissors, we can cut off 2 and 2. So the balance is x into 2x is 2x squared minus here product of binomial expressions. How to multiply a product of binomial expressions we studied from grade 9 onwards. So x plus x minus 4 second bracket should be repeated twice, x minus 4. Again we have to write x minus 4 and we have to write this x and plus 2 separately, x in front of this and plus 2 in front of this bracket is equals to 132. Normally I always inform the students if there are minus is our dangerous symbol. We have to make it as careful by placing a bracket. Minus are very dangerous, so we have to insert a bracket. So we will multiply 2x squared minus within bracket x into x squared minus x into 4 is 4x plus 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 4 8 is equals to 132. Okay, within bracket we will simplify 2x squared minus x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 4x plus 2x is different sign. Deduct and put larger number symbol, that is minus 2x minus 8 equals to 132. So we are going to remove the bracket using minus 2x squared minus x squared. Outside minus means in a symbol will change plus 2x. Again outside minus means in a symbol will change plus 8 equals to 132. So we will solve this moreover, that is 2x squared minus x squared plus 2x plus 8. We will take 132 to this side, minus 132 is equals to 0. So here 2x squared minus 1x squared, the answer is x squared plus 2x plus here plus 8 minus 132 plus 8 minus 132, different sign, deduct and write large number symbol, that is minus 124. So it should be different sign, deduct and put large number symbol. We can write minus 124 is equals to 0. So we will compare this equation here. X squared plus 2x minus 124 is equals to 0. We got this equation, quadratic equation. So find the value of x to the nearest centimeter. Take the value. So you can apply the method of completing squares, or else you can use the formula method. Here completing square is easy. X squared plus 2x, taking minus 124 to other side, it will change as plus 124. So we have to copy paste x plus half of this, that is 1 bracket squared. 1 squared is plus 1 should be added on both the side of the equal mark. So 124 plus 1 is 125. Completing squares method is easy. For this question, x plus 1 square taking to the side, it will change as square root of 125. Square root of 125 is not given here, so that is a third. X plus 1 is equals to 125. We can write 25 into 5 is 125, because 25 is a square number. We have to write plus or minus. So x plus 1 is equals to plus or minus square root 25 is 5 into square root 5 is 2.24. So we have to multiply these two. 5 into 2.24, you will get the answer as 5 into 2.24, you will get x plus 1 is equals to plus or minus 11.2. 11.2. 5 into 4, 0, you will get a 0. You can ignore 0, because after decimal, no need to write the 0. So here we can separate into two parts. X plus 1 is equals to 11.2, or x plus 1 is equals to minus 11.2. Plus 1 taking to the side is x is equals to 11.2 minus 1. So x is equals to 10.2. Here x is equals to minus 11.2 minus 1. Same sign, add and put the minus, minus 12.2. This is not suitable because x cannot take a negative value. Length of a or breadth of a, height of a side cannot be a negative, so that is not suitable. So suitable value for x is, x value is 10.2 is the suitable answer for x. That is the suitable value. So question number 1, they asking find the value of x to the nearest centimeter. So x value is 10.2. If you round off to nearest centimeter, therefore x is equals to 10 centimeter. Round off value, because they asking you to write nearest centimeter, nearest whole number, nearest centimeter. So that is 10 centimeter. So children, we have the another question in this part, second part. Show that the length of the longer side of the top of the cake is given by 2 root 2x, and show that the length is greater than 28 centimeter. Take the value of square root 2. Here this is a right angle triangle. Longer side of a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagorean relationship. So how to find the hypotenuse side is the longer side. So using the Pythagorean relationship, we can find that longer side. So how to find the longer side is Pythagorean relationship we are going to apply. According to Pythagorean relation, the hypotenuse side squared is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Hypotenuse side squared, we will take this length is not given, so we can take any letter A or anything. So A squared is equals to sum of the squares of the other two side, 2x squared plus other side also 2x squared for second part. So A squared is equals to 2 double is 4x squared plus 2 squared is 2 double is 4x squared. So A squared is equals to 4x squared plus 4x squared is 8x squared. So squared taking to the side, it will change as square root of 8x squared. So square root of 8, we can write A is equals to, instead of 8, we can write 4 into 2 into x squared expanded form search, because 4 is a square root number. So we can write A is equals to square root of 4 is 2. X squared and square root will be cut off because the power is half. Squared and square root we can cancel it because square root means the power is half. So x square root 2 have no perfect value, so we can write square root 2. So we obtain this value for the longer side. A is equals to, they asking you to write this value and they asking you to show it's not taking. So we will check the question again. So show that the length is greater than 28 centimeter. We have to show this length is greater than 28 centimeter. So we can apply 28. A is equals to, we have to show 2x root 2. 2 in between these two multiplication, x value we found 10 into root 2 value is given 1.41, that is given in this question. You can check root 2 is 1.41. So if you multiply it by 10, this point will move to this side. So 2 into 14.1, if you multiply this by 10, the point will move one digit back. So if you multiply 2 into 14.1, the answer is 28.2 centimeter. They're asking you to show, therefore 28.2 centimeter is more greater than 28 centimeter. You have to write 28.2 centimeter is greater than 28 centimeter. So question number 4 consists of two parts. So hope you understand. Okay, thank you very much.